Jai Hind students, welcome to back in computer class. Today we will learn here Microsoft PowerPoint and make a presentation in PowerPoint, and then after we will discuss about exercise. Let us see how can you make a PowerPoint presentation in that a car moving from one place to another place. Yes, let us say I want to share my screen to see it with carefully. First, click on Start button and choose All Apps, and then after scroll down to you and search it with the Microsoft PowerPoint, and if you are fine, double click on it to open. Yes, this is our PowerPoint presentation screen, first screen, and choose the blank presentation. Yes, now it is your normal view is here. Before that, first you have to select this one and choose layout. There are 9 types of layout and choose blank layout. Now you slide in blank. Then after you can change the background of this slide. Right click, option will be appear, format background, and it will be shown right side pane, and click on gradient. If you want to change other pictures, you can change from here. Patterns also, pictures or textures fields. It is depend on you which type you want. Okay, I have taken this one and select it. It is selected. Okay, first insert it and choose the online pictures. Click art. Yes, from Bing we will search here. Click art. Car. It will take time. It is depend on your internet speed. Then after, pictures will be appear. Click on to insert which pictures you want. It is depend on you. Suppose I want to there's 2 pictures, many pictures are there, but if you want, you can take from here. Suppose I want to insert these pictures, insert, and it will take time. Once again, see, yes, it is the first pictures. And if you want to make other one pictures, just right click and copy it, and then after paste. Right click and paste for that. Yes, paste option will be appear. It is a paste, and leave that size, and that size is here. You can decrease the size length. It is depend on you. Yes, and then change the color also. Double click, pictures border and pictures effects. It is depend on you which color you want. Suppose I want to color change like this type, pictures color, and there is a given color is there. If you want to choose from this side, now your color has changed. There are 2 types of car. Yes, 2 different car. If you want to, it is a decrease of size. Yes, size. How can it move from this side to that side? If you want to change the background, also it is depend on you, or you can make the road also. Okay, you can make also road also. Click on insert, and there is a given shape. Then after choose the pattern for the shape. Suppose you want to take this shape parallelogram, make a shape. Are many types is given. It is a depend on you to take that shapes to make it. Okay, suppose I have taken this given flowchart manual input, okay, and drag it. Yes, it is like a road type. Yes, now it is a road type. You can just change the color also if you want. Click on this, fill and choose the color. For that, suppose I have to check gray color. Okay, and then after it is the back. So right click and front, send it front, bring it front. Now change the color also. Yes, suppose I have taken this invisible, and this also back side, take it and send in front. Now it is a in front size. Okay, you can write this side also. You can write this type also, or you can rotate for that. It is your front type. Yes, now it is a front side. How can you give the effect? Close this picture format pan, and then after click on animation and animation pan, add animation. From you can just take the motion path, click on more motion path and take this from right to left. Yes, it will be go right and it will be go left. Take for that it is a left, or right, it for right. Okay, and then click on OK button. Same different, and once again click on animation pan and add animation, and then after more motion path and same things, but it is a now left side, and choose from the left side. Yes, it is for choose the length from here to that side. You can decrease from here to here if you want that. Okay, and it also size will be increased from here to here, it will be moved. Yes, okay. Then after that you have to put in that one, right click or double click on it to property. There is a given timing is there, auto reverse if you want, otherwise timing is here. It is a smooth start, it is a depend on you, smooth in and bounce in not, and timing is given with previous, means when your slide will be run it will be automatically start. Yes, okay, until end of the slide, means it will be go again and again. Okay, then click on OK button. This has gone, and next one double click on it and choose the property for timing and given until end of the slide, and choose the speed for that, very slow. Yes, and continuously it will be moved. Okay, now check it how these both car has moved. Yes, check, click on slideshow or click on slideshow, or you can choose shortcut key for that is F5 to show your PowerPoint presentation. To start your PowerPoint presentation, press or hold one time F5 to start, your presentation, or you can click on this icon. It is the slideshow icon, or you can click on show and start from beginning. Yes, and then after it will be start. Yes, now you can see. First, I have selected the car which are the first is going. This is the speed is different and this speed is different. It is starting from this side and it will be start from here and go that side, and that is the start from that to that side. Okay. Yes, you can, one more effect is there. If you want to change the color, for that it will be automatically color it during the move. How? Very simple. Exit from the slide, you can press escape button or you can click on to next, because there is a one slide. It will become, see, there is a given end of the slide, so click to exit because there is only one slide. Then when you have to click on here, it will be exit. Okay. How can you change during the moving color? Yes. Click on animation, select your object which you want to change that one and add animation. There is a given a more emphasis complementary color. Yes, and then click on OK. And give the property for that timing when it has start from previous and very slow, but I want to give medium, rewind when done playing. Okay, double click on that. Border, lines, and choose the color of pictures. It is a depend on you. Line will be color. Suppose it is a red line I have taken. See what will be there. Yes, to start this type slideshow and from beginning. Yes. Yes, see the border line has changed. Yes, you can see easily it has changed. Okay. Continuously it will be changed, so you have to just click on that and double click on this to click on animation, and animation pen give the effect for beginning and until end of the slide, so it will be there is a given very fast and until end of the slide, and give the pictures effect for that. Double click on this and click the timing with previous, means when your slide will be start, it will go, and click on OK button. Yes, then after click on slideshow. I want to click on the slideshow to start. Yes, now you can see easily their color has changed from every second. Yes, see there is a given color has changed. Yes. Maybe you have understood. If you have PC or laptop, you can make this type project on your computer in PowerPoint presentation. Yes. Now I want to close it. Yes, if you want to save, click on save and choose the car and click on save. Now your presentation has saved. Students, chapter 6, Microsoft Word exercise has given think and remember. Microsoft Word is a processor package from what? Yes, it is package of MS Office, Microsoft Office. That enable you to work with customized text and allows you to format the text by using the powerful tools. Yes, MS Word enables you to work with customized text and allows you to format the text by using the powerful tools. And saving a document. First you have to click on file, then what will you do? Which option you can choose? Yes, save, then after give the file name. Opening a document, first you have to click on file, then after what you will do? Yes, click on open, and a document, what is that? File and then close. Yes, closing a document, file and close. Now change the as, there is a fill in the blanks for that, as left or right, center and justify it. Alignment, font dash and dash can be changed while typing from the formatting toolbar. Style and size. Dash is different style of writing text. Font style. The word, sentence or paragraph can be made bold, italics or underlined from the home tab. The color of the text can be changed while typing from the formatting toolbar. Dash means to make the required changes in typed document. Editing means to make the required changes in the typed document. Dash is selected text to the desired position by cut, paste or copy, paste, move or copy. The selected pictures can be dash in a document, inserted in the document. Click on insert, then picture. Dash to be inserted in the document. Word art and autosaves. Pictures to be inserted in the document. And now shortcut keys. Ctrl plus P to print. Ctrl plus S to save. Ctrl plus C to copy. Ctrl plus V to paste. Ctrl plus X to cut. Alt plus F4 to exit MS Word. Ctrl plus W to closing a document. Yes, maybe you have understood. shortcut keys for Control plus P to print, Control plus S to save, Control plus C to copy, Control plus V to paste, Control plus X to cut, Alt plus F4 to exit MS Word, Control plus W to closing a document. Now second one, Microsoft Word is a word processing. MS Office. The first document after starting MS Word is a blank document with document 1. The shortcut button for various functions are present in Quick Access Toolbar. Dash show the name of the document on which you are working. Title bar. MS Word is a part of MS Office. Pictures can be added from Insert tab. Word art can be inserted by clicking over Insert tab. Now MS Word is a paint program. It is a true or false? Yes, it is a false. The title bar of MS Word contains shortcut buttons. False. Quick Access Toolbar contains shortcut button for different function. That is the true. MS Word saves the document with .docx extension. Yes, it is the true. Shortcut key for printing the document is Alt plus P. No, it is a false. Okay. Shortcut key for print, Control plus P. Shortcut key for save, Control plus S. To exit MS Word, Alt plus F4. Closing a document. Control plus W. Yes, students, to print, Control plus P. To save, Control plus S. Exit MS Word, Alt plus F4. Closing a document, Control plus W. Now, chapter number 7. MS PowerPoint means Microsoft PowerPoint. A placeholder is a dotted rectangular box on the slide that can hold text, table and graphics. Multimedia means using a computer to combine text, sound, pictures and video to present information. PowerPoint is a program that helps you to create colorful slides. PowerPoint lets you view your presentation in many different places on a computer, monitor, LCD projector, and you can even export your show onto the web. PowerPoint lets you easily print copies of your slides. PowerPoint lets you update and fix your presentation at a moment notice. The templates come complete with backgrounds, pictures, and pre-chosen font and colors. Template is the easiest way to make your PowerPoint show looks professional. Saving PowerPoint show file, then save, choose a name for file. Viewing PowerPoint show, slideshow, and then show. While viewing your show full screen, you can navigate slide to slide by clicking the left and right arrow key. By clicking on the escape button, escape key, you can return to the normal view from the slide show. Slide view will show the slide as it will appear from the final display. Outline view show only the heading for the name of each slide shorter. Slide shorter view shows multiple slides in reduced size. Notes page view show a miniature slides and provides a text area for the notes. Slideshow view help you to rehearse the presentation using all the slides. While working with the slide, sections are already assigned on the screen to enter the text. Text can be added by clicking in the middle of the text box and typing. Text can be formatted in PowerPoint just like in a word processing program. Okay. Now shortcut key for it. Slideshow can be run by pressing F5. Ctrl M to add a new slide. Ctrl S to save your presentation. Ctrl N to create a new presentation. Ctrl Z to undo. Ctrl Y to redo. Yes, identify the icons. See, this icon is normal view and this icon is slide shorter view. This is the reading view and this is the slideshow view. Yes students, maybe you have understood. Do the practice at your home. Take care. Bye bye.